Hi, I'm Sian Safai, registered dietitian, and I'm here to talk to you today about your children's nutritional assessment. There are three things that we need to take into consideration when looking at the nutritional assessment of your child. The first thing is their height and their weight, how they're growing. The second thing is their nutrition, how they're eating. The third thing is physical activity. Are they doing anything? So anybody can design a chart like this. I just put this one together in a few minutes. It's got everything listed here and then some dates for you to track their progress if you'd like. I want to say a couple of things about growth because everybody seems to be so paranoid about their children's growth. Are they overweight? Are they underweight? Where are they compared to other children? The most important thing that healthcare providers look at is patterns of growth. We don't just look at one weight and one height. We look at height and weight over time and see, is it tracking on the same line, or is it spiking, it's peaking and falling, or what's it look like? And as long as your child is growing on a consistent pattern, that's a good thing. It's bad if your child is continuing to go up, 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 up in terms of their weight or going down. And so that's why we need several different measurements. And you can work with your pediatrician to use the chart that's pertinent to plotting their weight and their height. The second thing that we need to look at is nutrition. And specifically, we need to look at their 3 squares and 2 snacks, meaning their breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and their snacks. And most important in that is, are they consuming enough fruits and vegetables? Kids in our country do not consume enough fruits and vegetables, so we need to make sure that they're getting some at every meal. The other thing that we need to look at besides their nutrition is we need to look at physical activity. Kids need to be active every single day. Less screen time, less TV time. So every single day between 30 to 60 minutes is the golden rule. Again, just a little check mark every day is all you need. So use this nutrition assessment chart and track your own child's progress and bring it with you to the pediatrician's office, or if you see a dietitian, give some very valuable information, and it should help you as a parent as well.